I got it right here. Here's Stella in the middle of the blizzard of 2011.
Oh, there she is.
Can't really see outside, but
It's harder to see.
it's hard to tell, but that's blizzardy. We'll look out the back.
There's Stella again.
Still Stella in the blizzard of 2011.
We're going backwards in time.
Stella! Stella! Here's Dan in his money pants.
Come on, let's go to the back of the house.
All right.
Let's see better out there.
What day is it today, Daniel?
Today is February 1st, 2011.
Going into the Lidicor room. Ooh, it's chilly in here.
See a little bit more blustery action there.
Lots of snow.
I think you can see it.
I think so. It's hard to tell. Yeah, you can see it. It's all snow. Look at the snow that's kind of packed.
Stuck to the screen.
Stuck to the screen. Oh, look at that right there. It's a pretty crazy blizzard. That's what it's been doing all evening. Let's look at our...
There's our tape channel.
Oh, it's gonna be
wet.
dark. We'll go the
Yeah,
other
go
way.
the other way.
All right. Well, we'll take a detour to the sink and show you all the snow. Round 2 of the snow that we had to
Pull up from our back
pull from our back
hallway.
door. I'll go this way over here. And then this is our attempt at keeping the back hallway from filling up with more snow.
Which it looks like it's working so far.
It's all wet
Yeah,
in the
that's
ground.
good.
That was the snow there. We have taped up the door successfully and stuck a towel at the very bottom to keep any more snow from coming in.
So far it seems to be working.
So far so good.
So far so good.
All right, I'll stop.